Welcome to the herringbone half double crochet stitch tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to work this beautiful stitch, and let's get started. Chain any number of stitches because this stitch doesn't have any repeats, and then yarn over, count 3 stitches and work into the 4th chain from the hook. Pull up a loop, go through the first loop on the hook, yarn over and go through both loops on it. And this is the first herringbone half double crochet done. So yarn over, going to the next stitch, pull up a loop, then go directly through the first loop, then yarn over and go through 2 loops on it. And you've done 2 herringbone half double crochet stitches. Repeat again, yarn over, pull up a loop from the next stitch, go through the first loop on the hook, then yarn over and go through both loops on it. You're going to repeat that across the row. So yarn over, pull up a loop from the next stitch, go through the first loop on the hook, then yarn over and go through 2 loops. What many find difficult with this is realizing that you're not yarning over before you go through that first loop after pulling up a loop. So pay attention to that when I repeat now. Pull up a loop, then go through 1, and then yarn over and go through 2. The end of the row, make sure you do a regular half double crochet because that will make the edge more straight, and I find that looking more pretty. We're ready to start row 2, so you only turn and then you chain 2 stitches, counting as the first half double crochet. Then work into the next stitch, pull up a loop, go through 1, yarn over and go through 2. And that's all it is. Repeat again, yarn over, pull up a loop, go through the first loop, yarn over and go through 2. And repeat that across the row and for as many rows as you want. I'm just repeating quickly a few times so you can see how it's done, and then I'll catch you at the end of row 2 to show you how it looks after a couple of rows with the herringbone half double crochet. And remember to do a regular half double crochet into the very first stitch to end the row. And this is how it looks after 2 rows of the herringbone half double crochet. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.